More than 24 family and friends of the victim, Joseph Comunale, packed into the courtroom for the start of the trial of James Rackover. James Rackover's defense attorneys say that they will prove that it was actually his accomplice that murdered Comunale, but prosecutors say evidence will show Rackover murdered Comunale in his Upper East Side apartment and then tried to cover it up. Prosecutors painting James Rackover as a savage murderer who, with help from an accomplice, Lawrence DeLeon, they say beat, stabbed, mutilated, desecrated, and discarded 26-year-old Joseph Comunale's body, leaving it in a shallow grave. They say Rackover, the surrogate son of a jeweler to the stars, was captured on surveillance video outside of his Upper East Side apartment that November night in 2016, on camera with Comunale the last time he was seen alive. They say both men, who were strangers, had met through women at a club earlier that night and returned to Rackover's apartment, where they both drank large amounts of alcohol and consumed cocaine. At some point, prosecutors say evidence will show that Rackover and DeLeon began arguing with Comunale and began to attack him. After Comunale was dead, they say they tried to dismember him in a bathtub before throwing his remains out of the window of Rackover's high-rise apartment. They say Rackover and DeLeon then drove the body to Monmouth County, New Jersey, burned it, leaving it in a shallow grave. Rackover and DeLeon allegedly attempted to clean up the blood and evidence of the murder. Prosecutors say Easy Pass and license plate readers traced Rackover's car driving to New Jersey the night Comunale went missing.
I'm saving it for the jury.
Rackover's attorney says it wasn't Rackover who committed the crime, saying there was no motive for the fatal assault. He says there was no animosity between Rackover and Comunale. Instead, he claims it was DeLeon who was responsible for the murder. He says what led to the death of Comunale was a drug and alcohol-fueled attack. And Lawrence DeLeon, Rackover's alleged accomplice, he is being tried separately in this case. Meanwhile, we can tell you the first witness on the stand today was Comunale's father. He choked up and wiped away tears as he was asked to describe his relationship with his late son. We're live this afternoon outside of criminal court in Lower Manhattan. Janelle Burrell, CBS 2 News.